Hi guys, Kylie and Michael here from Automated Advisor, and we just want to thank all of you for participating in our little mini holiday sweepstakes that we just had. We got some great reviews on Facebook from you guys, and it was a pleasure to read your reviews. You had such wonderful things to say, and we loved reading them. And I would like to take the chance to read a couple right now. Mike Flanders says, you guys are great. I appreciated the care with which you coached me in putting together my first video course, and it has helped me in other presentations since. Good work. Well, we love hearing that. That makes us very happy. Blake Rainey says, you guys are awesome. I'm starting to see some real results, which we love to hear. It's nice to have someone and something working for you 24/7, and that is exactly what we do. So now let's get into it. We're gonna draw the names for the 3 prizes that we're giving away. Michael, if you could just hold it still for just 1 second, I appreciate that. Thank you. Oh my, the anticipation is killing me. Okay. This is gonna be for the 3rd place prize, and it is Justin Irving. Congratulations, you win a $25 iTunes gift card. So we will be contacting you about that and how you can collect that. I'm gonna throw that right there. 2nd prize is gonna be for, you folded these up quite nicely, Harry Shepler. You're getting a $50 Amazon gift card. Congratulations, right on the floor. And 1st place, drum roll please. Thank you, thank you. Blake Rainey, congratulations, $100 MasterCard gift card coming your way. Thank you everybody for participating. We will reach out to you about how you can collect your prizes, and happy holidays from the team at Automated Advisor. Bye.